If you're not sure whether your iPhone has a carrier lock or whether it's carrier unlocked, or you're getting ready to buy a new iPhone and you want to just double check, I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is, if you have the iPhone with you, open up the Settings app on that iPhone. Tap on General towards the bottom. Tap on About midway down. And then scroll down. You can see midway down is carrier lock. If it says SIM locked, of course, that means it is carrier locked. If it says unlocked, then it is currently unlocked. However, if you don't have that iPhone with you, to check that, maybe you're buying one on eBay, I'll show you how to find it out using the IMEI. So instead of that, you can scroll down and find the IMEI. Just press and hold and hit copy, or ask for this from somebody you're buying the iPhone from, and then just open up a web browser, and you can always type in IMEI check, and then just Google IMEI check and go to one of these websites where you can check that IMEI to see if it's locked. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.